Okay, so in this question, we're given a function f of x that equals x cubed minus 6x squared plus 24x plus 18. And we need to find the points of inflection of this cubic. And if we look here, we have a sheet with the method, and there's basically two steps. So to find the points of inflection, we differentiate twice, then we set the function to 0 and solve. Okay, and then we'll get some x coordinates, and then we need to test for a change of sign as x varies slightly of the second derivative. And if there's a change of sign, then it's an inflection point, and if there's no change of sign, then it's not an inflection point. So if I was to do, say, a cubic, these are the inflection points. There's actually only one inflection point here. So the inflection point is the point where it changes from a concave bit to a convex bit. And at that point, we should find that the second derivative is 0, but that doesn't guarantee that it's an inflection point. We must do test for change of sign. Okay, so let's apply these two steps to the cubic. So we need to get the second derivative. So we'll begin with the first derivative first. So f dash of x is 3x squared minus 12x plus 24. And then we can get the second derivative. So that's 6x minus 12. And we need to set the second derivative to 0. And if we solve this, we get 6x equals 12. So therefore x is 2. So that's the x coordinate, but this doesn't guarantee that this is an inflection point. We now need to test for change of sign. So we need to substitute in x values that are close to 2 on either side into the second derivative. So if we do f dash of, say, 2.1 and f double dash of 1.9. So these are two numbers that are very close to 2 but are on opposite sides. And we want to work these out. So that's 6 times 2.1 minus 12. And if we just calculate that, and that equals 0.6. And here we get 6 times 1.9 minus 12. And that equals minus 0.6. So we have a change of sign. So it's a change of sign. Therefore, this is an inflection point. So change of sign plus we need this to be a continuous function, so f double dash is continuous. So therefore this is an inflection point, and we better now get the y coordinate. So if we substitute f of 2 into here, so we get 2 cubed minus 6 times 2 squared plus 24 times 2 plus 18. And if we work that out with the calculator, that equals 50. So therefore 250 is an inflection point.